In this tutorial, I will show you how you as an admin can change and overwrite stem templates to customize the stems available to your users. The Empower feature shown here should also be integrated into future versions of Empower and in some cases already in older Empower versions. To customize the design of the stem template, you need to download the stem template from the Empower library first. To do this, navigate to the Library button in the Empower ribbon in the Start group to open the library. Then, navigate to the Empower elements in the Corporate Design Templates. The stem template should be saved here. Now, open it in the current presentation. Important notes. The position where the stem template is positioned on the slide is also the position where the stamp is inserted for the users. The stem template may consist of grouped elements. You can use the Alt and F10 keyboard shortcut to view all the elements on the slide. This shows that the stem template consists of several grouped elements. It is important that the group is preserved and that you select the whole element when saving. In addition, the name of the group should not be changed. If you do not follow these guidelines, Empower no longer recognizes the element as a stem template and there will be an error message when inserting the stems. There can only be one stem template in the Empower elements at a time. Several different stem templates cannot be saved. To customize the stem template, click on the Format button in the Empower ribbon in the Edit group, so that the text and color groups open. Here, you can then customize the stem template according to your wishes. I changed the font and the colors here. When you have made all the adjustments, select the grouped element and click on the Library Split button in the Start group in the Empower ribbon. Then select Save, then Empower Elements and Stamp, and click Save As. Then a new window opens the Empower library in the Empower Elements. Here, you can click Overwrite. The stem template will then be uploaded to the library. The Empower Sync informs you about the status of the upload. Now, when you insert a stamp into the presentation, you will see that you have successfully changed the stem template, so all stems will now be inserted using the design of the customized stem template. Feel free to test the function yourself and save valuable time. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us.